stand before you today as we celebrate this significant milestone in our lives. The support and encouragement from everyone involved have been invaluable. I am truly grateful for the opportunities and experiences that have shaped me to the person I am today. I would like to say a huge thank you to Systems Plus Computer College, administrators, faculty members, parents, guardians, and dearest friends for guiding us to reach this level of success. As we stand here today, I can help but to reflect on the challenges and struggles that we have all faced during our time at this institution. We have experienced the stress of exams. Sometimes, our classmates encourage us not to review and say, stock knowledge na lang kasi kaya naman ng stock knowledge ko. But it's not always that reliable, and sometimes, when you ask your classmates and they review and they respond, hindi, kaya naman to ng stock knowledge ko. But actually are the ones who are actually prepared. The thought of a good night's sleep seems like a distant dream as you navigate through the sleepless nights of endless assignments. Each hour stretches on, and the weight of responsibility feels heavier than ever. You're not alone in this struggle. Every student knows the feelings of being overwhelmed by academic demands. It's a scenario that many of us can relate to. Lastly, the moment of self-doubt when it seems like success was out of reach. Despite these challenges, we stand here today because malayo ka na, pero malayo pa. I trust that you will discover your unique way to show appreciation for the journey with ups and downs that has brought us to this short point in time. To my classmates, schoolmates, and my Group 3 members whom I shared struggles and core memories. From late-night study sessions using Google Meet to hilarious inside jokes. You've been an essential part of my high school journey. There was a memorable moment during our computer programming class. To maximize the limited time, we ended up coding using a piece of paper, which is yellow pad. One funny moment was when one of my classmates ran inside the room while holding the yellow pad and said, "Sir, naparan ko na ng walang error." This became our inside joke every time during our computer programming subject. I will always cherish the bond we formed. I can proudly say that I've grown not just as a student, but as an individual. I had the time of my life fighting dragons with you. Being a completer and a graduate means more than just receiving a diploma and certificate of completion. It symbolizes the countless hours of hard work, and it represents the sacrifices we made to get this point that carry us through. As we step out, let us carry the lessons we have learned in Systems Plus Computer College, the friendships we have made, and the dedication that has brought us to this moment. Let us continue to embrace challenges as opportunity for growth, and let us never forget the struggles that have shaped us into the resilient individuals we are today. To future grade 11 students, I encourage you to embrace each moment and enjoy your high school journey to the fullest. Participate in extracurricular activities, build meaningful relationships, and savor the learning experiences. High school is a time for growth, discovery, and memorable experiences. Make the most of it and create lasting memories. I would like to end the speech with greetings our Java programming language and ICT strand. System.out.println Hello World. It means, welcome to your next chapter. According to Taylor Swift NYU 2022, scary news is you're on your own now. Cool news is you're on your own now. These words hold great value, so always keep them in mind. Thank you and congratulations, Batch 2023-2024.